Welcome back to ClearTask. Today we are going to cover a quick and straightforward guide on how to sign in to your Substack account. Let's get right into it. First, open your preferred web browser and go to substack.com. Once the homepage loads, look at the top right corner of your screen. You will see a sign in button. Click on it. A pop-up window will appear prompting you to enter your email address. Type in the email associated with your Substack account and then click the continue button. Substack will now send a secure verification code directly to your inbox. Go ahead and open a new tab, check your email, and look for the latest message from Substack. Open the email and locate your numeric login code. Copy that code, head back over to your Substack tab, and paste it into the verification box on the screen. You will instantly be securely logged into your dashboard. And that is it. If you found this guide helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to ClearTask for more straightforward technical tutorials. Thanks for watching.